Get noticed in this 2009 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. The sunroof lets fresh air in, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.